What we have here is the Ego 765 CFM Leaf Blower. It's going to be kind of an unboxing and a short demonstration. Please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. I appreciate it. Thank you. I also do all my own guitar work on these videos. Thank you. What you're looking at here is the charger and obviously the battery, which is ginormous, and it's got quite a bit of weight to it. I mean, this thing is really big and heavy, but it counterbalances the whole mechanism, and it's really easy to operate, as you'll see later in the video. I've ran this battery all the way down once, and it only takes about an hour and 15 minutes to fully charge. As you can see here, it's a 56 volt lithium ion battery. This thing is very, very powerful. I am totally surprised with it. Over here you'll see the indicator lights that are just below my thumb. It's kind of hard to see them, but they flash intermittently, and they'll tell you if the battery is 80% charged, fully charged, ready to go, whatnot. There's the bottom. It's got two mounting brackets in case you want to put it on the wall. It's kind of nifty. Yeah, it's large too, obviously. There's the indicator lights I was telling you about, or at least a diagram for it. This battery pack slides in there, and man, this thing is pretty loud charging, really. That's a fan in there. There's your indicator lights that I was telling you about that was hard to see. And it's got like some sort of halo looking charging system there. Indicates how much your battery is charged. Here are some of the attachments. The main boom right here. And then it's got a little nozzle in the middle, slips on the end, or you could put the other one on there. This is what the bare tool looks like before the battery's put on. Don't let the plastic fool you. It's pretty good quality stuff. I mean, if you drop it probably from hip height, yeah, you're not going to break it or anything. So here I'm getting ready to slip on the actual battery. I had to kind of do that off camera because it's kind of difficult. You can see the weight is kicking back a little bit after I've got it adjusted. Well, when you get that main nozzle on, you're going to be fine. It balances out pretty good. The main tube slips on only one way, and this channel right here is where it slips on. You'll see a groove inside the unit there, which corresponds with this green piece that just snaps right in, and then so does the nozzle, whichever one you choose to put on. Again, this is 765 cubic feet per minute. I guess is what CFM stands for. And it's pretty powerful, let me tell you. It's as powerful as any gas blower I've ever used. Well, finally, here's the whole unit assembled. It's pretty sharp for a leaf blower, I think. Again, this is the Ego 765 CFM leaf blower. Right here is the trigger mechanism, and that thing right there is like a cruise control. And here's a strap for you. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. Up on the very top, that green button up there, that's like a extra boost. There's that crazy looking nozzle. I don't know what I would do with that. Maybe it's for blowing your car dry or something, I don't know. Here I'm about ready to start the unit. You can see there's tons of leaves down here, and a lot of them are wet on the bottom and are very hard to move with any leaf blower. So let's give her a go. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching the Ego 765.